Есть проблема мирового масштаба.
There is a global recycling problem of municipal solid waste. We developed a new technology for producing gasoline similar to diesel. And right now, we're going to show you how it works. I got my doctorate in ecological safety. My work was devoted to the innovative technology of industrial and domestic hydrocarbon-containing waste processing.
Стандартно, что мы имеем в мусорке?
What do we usually have in our rubbish bin?
Полиэтилены. Мы имеем
Various kinds of plastics, polyethylene, textile, wood, and paper.
Мы имеем древесину, имеем бумагу.
From all of these, we make fuel. There is a number of difficulties while processing municipal solid waste. We managed to solve these difficulties by constantly upgrading our pulsar reactor.
Это опытно-промышленная экспериментальная установка, на которой отрабатываются все технологические циклы. Для того, чтобы
In order to stop processing paraffins, liquid and light fuel fractions by rectification, we have upgraded our plant and have been extracting all the main tar here.
мы доработали эту установку и отбираем все основные смолы именно здесь.
This gives us an opportunity to apply a cheaper method of producing motor fuel similar to diesel, because there is very little tar there, less than 95%.
Мы сейчас с вами отследим весь цикл производства этого топлива на этой установке.
We will now track the entire production cycle of the fuel at this facility.
Так, можно запускать.
So you can start.
Данная технология будет интересна всем,
This technology will be interesting to all waste recycling and sorting plants, because we can make motor fuel out of all different fractional waste.
отходы. Из всех этих отходов мы можем сделать моторное топливо.
The temperature before the filter is 393 degrees and 63 degrees after the filter. Due to this temperature difference, shock filtration system and pyrolytic gas compensation, we remove the majority of the tar, more than 99%. This gives us an opportunity to obtain good quality fuel only by chemical cleaning without applying rectification. So what do we have? We have a light fraction. This is not fuel. We consider this as raw material. The second fraction that we get from MSW is paraffins. Naturally, they are mixed with a light fraction and they look like this. This is what prevents pyrolysis plants from working normally. And this is exactly what gives us additional energy and fuel. People do not know what to do with it. We do know. This is a tremendous energy potential for motor fuel. The main thing is to use it correctly. Having produced two types of fuel substances, we will now test them for flammability. As you can see, these are two combustible components, so we can make fuel out of them.
Сейчас посмотрим, как оно у нас будет гореть.
Только хотел сказать.
Let's visit our chemical laboratory. We'll talk to chemists and conduct fuel quality tests there.
Проводя физико-химические
After conducting physico-chemical tests, we can say that our technology has proven its value.
даем дальнейшую путевку в жизнь. Мы проработали 4 группы.
We processed 4 groups of liquids obtained by pyrolysis, and each of them got approvals to be used.
На 100% дальнейшее использование. Данный вид жидкости пригоден.
After successful testing, we can say that this type of liquid is suitable for using it in heat and power plants instead of diesel. These liquids can also be used in fine chemical industry. We're going to use them for manufacturing additives too.
Нарисованы в этих жидкостях для производства присадок.
Для проверки
We created our own laboratory for testing performances of non-standard motor fuels manufactured from waste.
данная лаборатория оснащена
This laboratory is equipped with a 24-kilowatt diesel generator, an exhaust gas testing system, a hardware-software system, etc. These devices can determine whether our product meets technical specification and how it affects engine performance and fuel injection. Well, Kolya, let's get started. We use several interfaces to get experimental data. The main interface is on the operator panel, where current parameters are displayed. These are exhaust gas, coolant and environmental temperatures, instant and total fuel consumption.
Газов, температура охлаждающей жидкости, окружающей среды, расход топлива мгновенный и расход топлива общий. Во время эксперимента
All parameters are recorded and we can have visual presentation of them in either live trends or data in grid.
или же в виде актуальных данных в этой таблице.
Well, the engine works fine. Let's take out the injection nozzles and test them with the nozzle tester. The fuel proved to be quite good. Let's open the engine and see the nozzles. Okay, let's do it. Yes, we need to see the parameters.
Опрессовываем, да? Да, опрессовываем, проверяем на наличие раствора.
Are they okay, or did they go down? We install the injection nozzles on the nozzle tester and check the nozzle spray in order to determine whether the nozzles were damaged.
Отлично. Вот видно, темные пятна это выходят.
Well, we can see dark spots where the fuel comes out. The nozzle spray is good. There are no drops. That proves that the tightness of the atomizer nozzle was not broken with this fuel.
Давление срабатывания по манометру.
According to the manometer, the nozzle's reaction remained at the same pressure level. That proves that the nozzles have ideally passed the tests with this type of fuel. We have tested 4 nozzles that were installed on the diesel generator. The tests showed that all parameters were within the tolerances. The nozzles are not damaged and are ready for further work.
После переработки ТБО
After processing MSW, we received the following products: 27.7% of light flammable fraction, 18.6% of paraffin. The rest is pyrolysis gas.
на сегодняшний день можно
Today we can say that processing of municipal solid waste into boiler furnace or motor fuel is extremely effective.
топливо является крайне эффективным. Данное обстоятельство
Having these results, we can suggest that MSW can not only be burned, but also be used for manufacturing useful products, such as fuel and aromatic hydrocarbons. Both petrochemical and fuel industries are able to utilize them successfully.
химия, не только в топливной промышленности.
Today, we have industrial technology for producing motor fuel from MSW.
Бытовых отходов.